Hello everyone, I'm Gautam Nair and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Python on Windows. So first you have to go to the official website python.org and from there go to the downloads page. So as you can see, the latest version of Python is 3.10.6. So you can just click on this button. So it by default downloads the amd64 version of Python. So again, if you have a 32-bit system, 64-bit software cannot be installed on it, so you have to download a 32-bit version. So if you want to download a 32-bit version, then go to the Windows section of the download page, and here you can just download Windows installer 32-bit. So again, if you have an old PC which is running Windows 7 or earlier, you can just download the old versions of Python, as the new version doesn't support Windows 7 or earlier. Since I have a new PC running Windows 11, so it's obviously a 64-bit system, so I have downloaded it. So now after downloading it, you can just click on this run button in order to run the setup for Python. So this is the Python setup program. So in here you have to select this last option, add Python 3.10 to path. That's necessary in order to run pip and Python anywhere other than the installed folder. So now you can click on install now. It will ask for an administrative access, yes or no. Let us click on yes, in that it installs to all the users. This might take little time depending upon your system speed. So this setup by default installs the pip also, so like you can install the modules and libraries from pip. uh, so as you can see, we have completed the setup of Python. So you can just close this.